American 1260, 2600, climb via the Triton 4.
American 1260, Lone Star departure, radar contact, climb maintain 17,000.
Climb maintain 17,000, American 1260. American 1260, need to return to Dallas Fort Worth.
American 1260, roger. You're cleared to the Dallas Fort Worth Airport via radar vectors. Turn left heading 360, maintain 9,000, level off whenever you're ready. You can descend back down.
Alright, 360 heading, maintain 9,000, American 1260.
American 1260, when you're able, just give me whatever information you can share and if you need any assistance.
Alright, stand by. Alright, American 1260, we have a spark in the forward galley. So we're going to use that as a fire indication and say we had smoke in the cabin. And we'll return with a 10-mile final to 17 Center, declare an emergency at this time. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
American 1260, understand emergency, and you can expect runway, well actually I'll let the next controller confirm the runway time, but I will let them know you're requesting 17 Center. Descend now to maintain 6,000, fly heading 340.
Alright, descend to 6,000, heading 340, American 1260.
American 1260, when you can, give me the number of personnel on board and fuel remaining.
We have 86 souls on board and 210 minutes fuel remaining. You want fuel in pounds?
No, that time remaining is good. American 1260, you contact approach now on 127.07, and they've got all the information.
2707, American 1260, thank you. American 1260, 8,700, descend to 6,000.
American 1260, Lone Star approach, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000, American 1260.
American 1260, and then the altitude to maintain 5,000, fly heading of 280.
5,000 heading 280, American 1260.
American 1260, we need to go out a little bit more to get down.
American 1260, roger, fly heading 310, just advise when you're ready to come back in.
Alright, 310 heading, American 1260.
American 1260, descend to maintain 3,000. And you just need it for the descent, not for anything else.
Yeah, we need a little bit more room to get down. Descend to 3,000, American 1260. We'll be able to turn in shortly.
Okay, I'm just making sure you weren't having to go up for another reason. Thank you.
No.
American 1260, when you're ready, turn left heading 270.
270 heading, American 1260. And we'll take that heading now.
American 2254, turn left heading 270.
270 heading, American 1260.
American 1260, speed is your discretion, obviously, and the airport is at 9 o'clock and 1 2 miles.
Airport side, American 1260.
American 1260, turn left heading 200, cleared to approach runway 17 Center.
Clear visual, 17 Center on a 200 heading, American 1260.
American 1260, contact tower on 135.7.
What's the tower frequency?
135.7.
Thank you.
American 1260, DFW tower only 17 Center, clear to land. American 1260, DFW tower only 17 Center, clear to land.
Clear to land, 17 Center, American 1260.
And are you guys going to want to stop on the runway with the American 1260 to get checked out, or you guys want to pull off?
We can pull off. We had a smoke, but it's gone, so we don't need to be inspected on the runway.
Roger. American 1260 at Echo Lima, cross 17 right, and do you know where you guys are going?
Cross 17 right at Echo Lima, no, we're still waiting for camera.
American 1260, roger, just you can pull up and hold short of taxiway Kilo, or make the right on Kilo, and just let me know when you know the gate is on it.
Okay, we'll Frost at Echo Lima.